Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. It's a really amazing tablet guys, and today I will show you how to take the screenshot on this tablet by using S Pen. Okay guys, so it's really easy, you guys can easily do it and I will show you. So this is the S Pen, and then there is a button on this S Pen. You can see from here that this is a button over here. So you have to press this button by taking it to the screen. So I just go to the screen and just touch the screen, and then I press this button. So when you do this, there is so many options come in front of you. The fourth option is screen right. So this is the screen right option, like a purple color. Just click on this one and then it will take the screenshot. You guys can see here the screenshot has been taken. And then you can also write on this screen by using different pens, and there are so many options. You can use different colors, and then you can write anything you want to write on the screen, and you can also save it, and you can also share it. You can also edit whatever you write on the screenshot guys. So this is how you guys can take the screenshot by using the S Pen. So just remember this button, just tap on the screen and then click this button, and then there are different options come in front of you. You have to select the screen right option guys. You can see here screen right option. Just tap on the screen right option and it will take the screenshot. And then if you want to write anything, you can also write, you can save it, you can share it, and you can edit it. And there are different nibs option as well. So for example, this nib you want to select with that color, so you can also do it guys. So you can see it here. You can write on the screenshot, and you can also save it. It will be saved into your gallery option guys. So really amazing guys. You can see here you can write whatever you want. You can also remove it by using the rubber option, and then it will be, you can also save it onto your gallery, and then you can see it in your phone files option. It will be saved. So this is how you guys can do the screenshot in Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. You go into the gallery and it will be visible into your gallery options. So this is how you guys can take the screenshot by using the S Pen guys, and I hope it will be very easy for you. Just use the screen right option, just click on it, and whatever screen you want to take the screenshot, it will take the screenshot. And then if you want to write with different color, you can write it, you can edit it on the screenshot guys. So guys, I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.